araw po. This is Architect Ving, and I am happy to share that it is our 29th founding anniversary. Our theme for this year is Ascend, to honor the climb that the chapter and its members have been doing year in and year out. And this is our commitment na pagpapatuloy namin ang personal development, professional development, at business development ng aming mga members.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ascend, the 29th anniversary celebration and 9th general membership meeting of the United Architects of the Philippines, Baraswain Chapter.
"51 years ago, the story of the United Architects of the Philippines was not simply about compliance. It was about vision, courage, and determination. And today, as we celebrate UAP's 51st anniversary, we are reminded na ang tunay na leader kusang kumikilos para sa mas mataas na layunin.
My heart glows with pride whenever I see Baraswain, whenever I see the chapter holding these kinds of events. Kasi in some form or shape, in some way, alam ko nandun ako, I was part of the history. And alam mo yun, with any organization, ang gusto mo lang longevity. Hindi pinakamagaling, hindi pinakasikat. Gusto mo tumagal. And the fact that we've been here for 29 years is, I guess, testament to that.
Today's celebration also resonates with our national's 51st anniversary, carrying the theme, United by Design, 51 years of building stories, service, and significance.
The 29th anniversary is not just a celebration. It is a remark na kaya pa natin gawin. Kasi this is a milestone going to our 30th anniversary.
Kaya nga in-encourage namin kayo mga regular members, just like us, na you can think of yourself belonging to as one of the members of the National. Kasi it's a great opportunity. Pero syempre, of course, it's up to you, it's up to us. Kung ang magiging stepping stone nyo is on the chapter level, then definitely that would be the start of it.
So kung gusto nyong mag-start makilala sa national level, mag-start kayo with joining committees such as yung creatives, yung sa library. For sure, makakakita kayo ng niche nyo doon.
Salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin ng mga industry partners, fellow architects, and engineers and consultants sa 29 glorious years of the UAP Baraswain Barakada of Architects. Salamat po.
Wish ko sa ating lahat, may we all be the reason na each person or tayong lahat ay magstay dito sa UAP Baraswain. May achievements bring us to serve this profession, to serve our members, to serve this organization.
UAP Baraswain Architects, can we all stand up and make their wishes come true? Sabi nila, more members, more new recruits, more members who will serve in leadership positions. Wala nang ibang wish kundi iyon. Maraming salamat and let us toast for UAP Baraswain to our 30th year next fiscal year. Go!